Hey guys, being a guy that does a lot of stuff online, sells a lot of stuff online, and runs a YouTube channel, we opted to get ourselves a new camera. We opted for the Canon Rebel T7, and we got this premium starter kit, and they were not very clear at all what in the world was in this, and also there were a lot of refurbished ones being sold for the exact same price, used ones being sold for the exact same price. So I'm going to post a link in my description to show you which camera is the new camera, not refurbished, for the same price. Make sure you're getting what I'm actually opening up here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and I'm going to show you what's in it. First I'll grab my knife here. I love this little knife. Post a link in the description for this too, because it's awesome. So what do we got here? Let's go for this thing. Got ourselves a neat, nifty little case. Has an arm strap, silica beads, let's see here. Comes with a lens. A 75 to 300 millimeter. Go ahead and open that up. That's a nice lens. This is a really nice lens. We have a lot of fun with this guy. Take pictures in your. I'll be taking pictures of my neighbor's house. Oh, it's got a nice little pocket for it in the case. And we got, this box is empty, but we still have this box here, which I presume is the camera. Hope there's a battery with this, not specific at all. Beside this, I got this is the neck strap. Warranty card information, user manual. Another registration card. Oh, it did. Came with a battery. Cool little protector for your battery. Looks like another lens. That's going to be your normal everyday lens. Battery charger. For the wall. Battery in the case. Nice. So this is the actual camera body. Comes with the dust cap. Face the camera. Wonder if it came with the SD card. Nope, no SD card on this. Sweet. Battery came with a half charge. But really, that's it. Not really a review, but oh, gotta turn the camera on. Now you guys get to see what I'm looking at once I get a card camera. Well, thanks. I'm Jay. That's my to-do list. Thanks for stopping, I guess.